Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Quorum Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Quorum Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in quorumfcu.org and make a search. The official page of Quorum Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Now to log into your Quorum Mortgage account, enter your username and password associated with your Quorum Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Quorum Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.